You'd like the singles lane just come to a halt. Next extra. Shutting it fuck. This is a test of the emergency alert system. Equipment to control during emergency is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency, official messages need to follow the alert channel. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.